Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, I am your science teacher for class 7th. Now open your science book, unit number 11, page number 169. Our topic is reflection of sound. When the sound is incident on a hard surface like what of a wood, brick or wall, it bounces back. The bouncing back of sound on striking a hard surface is called reflection of sound. Take a ticking clock and put in a glass container as shown in figure. When the mouth of container is closed, the ticking of the clock is not heard distinctly. Now slowly lift the lid from one end. Hold the lid in such a position that you hear the ticking sound of the clock clearly. This is due to the reflection of sound by the lid, which changes the direction and the ticking is heard. All the materials do not reflect the sound waves equally. Metallic sheets are good reflectors of sound, whereas cloths, cork, porous material and thermocol are bad reflectors. तमाम मटेरियल आवाज़ की लहरों को यकसा तौर पर रिफ्लेक्ट नहीं करते। मेटालिक शीट आवाज़ की गुड रिफ्लेक्टर्स होती हैं, यानी इसमें से आवाज़ की लहरें आसानी से रिफ्लेक्ट हो जाती हैं, जबकि क्लोथ्स, कॉर्क और पोरस मटेरियल और थर्माकोल आवाज़ की बैड रिफ्लेक्टर्स होती हैं। The reflection of sound can be used for measuring the depth of the sea at a certain place. The apparatus used for this purpose is called sonar, which is carried in the ship. This apparatus sends out ultrasonic sound towards the bottom of the sea. The sound reflected from the sea bed is received by the apparatus. By measuring the time taken by the sound to return to the ship and knowing the speed of sound in sea water, we can find the depth of a sea or ocean at the following formula. Depth of a sea is equal to speed of sound in water multiplied by time taken upon 2. Echo. Stand about 50 meters away from a wall and clap your hand. You will hear the sound of the clap again after about half a second. This happens because the sound waves travel to the wall, get reflected by it and again come back to us after about a second. The sound heard after reflection from a surface is called echo. Our next topic is ultrasonics and infrasonics. Human beings can hear sounds in the frequency range of 20 to 20,000 Hz. These are called audible frequencies. Vibrations above or below this frequency do not produce the sensation of sound in our ears. The human voice can produce sound up to a frequency between 60 Hz and 30,000 Hz. Sound of frequency higher than 20,000 Hz are called ultrasonics. Sound of frequency less than 20 Hz is known as infrasonics. Sound of ultrasonic frequency finds many uses these days. Some of the uses of ultrasonics are given below. Number 1. Seeds exposed to ultrasonic frequency have been found to germinate quickly. Number 2. Milk treated with ultrasonic frequency can be preserved for a longer period. Number 3. Ultrasonic frequencies are also used to detect defects in metal castings for cleaning machinery and washing dish plates. Number 4. They can also be used for welding metals. Number 5. Ships use ultrasonic frequencies for finding the depth of the sea below them or to detect submarines or shoals of fish. अगर आवाज़ की फ्रीक्वेंसी 20,000 हर्ट्ज़ से ज़्यादा होगी तो अल्ट्रासोनिक कहलाएगी और अगर 20 हर्ट्ज़ से कम होगी तो इंफ्रासोनिक कहलाएगी। आवाज़ की अल्ट्रासोनिक फ्रीक्वेंसी मुख्तलिफ़ कामों में इस्तेमाल होती है, मसलन जर्मिनेशन के प्रोसेस को तेज़ करने के लिए, मिल्क को ज़्यादा लंबे अरसे तक महफूज करने के लिए, मेटल कास्टिंग के दौरान डिफेक्ट मालूम करने के लिए, मशीनरी और डिश प्लेट्स की सफाई के लिए, वेल्डिंग मेटल्स के लिए और समंदर की गहराई मालूम करने के लिए। इन तमाम कामों के लिए अल्ट्रासोनिक फ्रिक्वेंसी इस्तेमाल की जाती है। नाउ ओपन योर साइंस जर्नल। We have already done to question number 1 to question number 3 in the previous lecture. Now we are starting from question number 4. What is the range of audio frequencies and human voice? This is the answer of question number 4. Question number 5. What do you understand by ultrasonic and infrasonic? This is the answer of question number 5. Ultrasonic, infrasonic. Question number 6. What is meant by reflection of sound? What are good reflectors of sounds? Give examples. This is the answer of question number 6. Reflection of sound. Good reflector of sound. Question number 7. What is meant by echo? This is the answer of question number 7. Echo. This is the end of today's lecture. Please complete your homework. Thank you.